Hey guys, Cameron, LC7 owners. This is a really fast video that I think you guys are really going to find helpful if you've got the OEM breather valves that connect to your valve covers. Those tend to snap and break because they get so brittle and they're really expensive to replace. And so I want to show you guys something that I think will help everyone who's got this issue. So if you look here, I've got my OEM PCV. I'm cleaning up from doing the relocation kit. And if you're familiar, obviously these are the pieces of my breather hose that comes out of the PCV. If you're not familiar, this piece goes into here and it secures with a T20 Torx bolt. And then the breather hoses are connected to this Y valve that splits to go to each valve cover. As you can see, you can remove the actual hoses from this Y valve, and it takes a little bit, but you can see it's a barb fitting. So what I used was a screwdriver to kind of pry up on the ends here and loosen it a little bit, and then I just worked it off with my hand and pulled them both off. So what this will allow you to do is you can take any kind of a rubber hose that you can fit onto each of these fittings. Like this is a super thick one. I would not use this one. This is really thick, but just as an example, you can put your own rubber hoses on here and sink them down and run your own rubber hose connections to your valve covers. So you would just need the proper rubber hose to go here, and then the rubber hose would need to be large enough to connect to your actual valve covers. So that might actually help a lot of people fix this on the cheap, so you don't have to replace it with more of the plastic hoses that will be prone to breaking. Not to mention these are a nightmare to get off the valve cover. So if you think this will help you, let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions, let me know. And yeah, that's it.